I'm Diana Mohyi, an attorney licensed in Michigan and New York. What are the factors that Michigan courts look at to determine child custody? Many times parents are unable to co-parent, and the court must decide who to grant full custody to, because it's just not practical to have every minute of a child's life attempted to be decided by parents who cannot agree on anything. These factors are as follows: the love, affection, and other emotional ties existing between the parties involved and the child, the capacity and disposition of the parties involved to give the child love, affection, and guidance, and to continue the education and raising of the child in his or her religion or creed, if any, the capacity and disposition of the parties involved to provide the child with food, clothing, medical care, or other remedial care recognized and permitted under the laws of Michigan in place of medical care and other medical material needs, the length of the time the child has lived in a stable, satisfactory environment, and the desirability of maintaining continuity, the permanence of a family unit, of the existing or proposed custodial home or homes, the moral fitness of the parties involved, the mental and physical health of the parties involved, the home, school, and community record of the child, the reasonable preference of the child, if the court considers the child to be of sufficient age to express preference, the willingness and ability of each of the parties to facilitate and encourage a close and continuing parent-child relationship between the child and the other parent, or the child and the parents. A court may not consider negatively, for the purposes of this factor, any reasonable action taken by a parent to protect a child or that parent from sexual assault or domestic violence by the child's other parent. The court also considers domestic violence, regardless of whether the violence was directed against or witnessed by the child, or any other factor considered by the court to be relevant to a particular child custody dispute. If you are seeking custody of your child or trying to resolve a custody dispute, contact me, Diana Mohyi, attorney at law, to provide you counsel on this matter.